welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai, bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Awareness program emphasizes respect for persons with disabilities in Meghalaya. Chief Minister Conrad K. Samla lays foundation stone for artificial football turf at Umbuda. Police apprehend suspected GNLA members in Garo Hills. And Speaker of Meghalaya Legislative Assembly distributes 101 e-vehicles for Swachh Bharat mission. On March 5th, the Office Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities, in collaboration with the Meghalaya Urban Development Authority, MUDA, organized an awareness program aimed at promoting understanding of the needs of individuals with disabilities during their commute. Secretary of MUDA, P. Kumar Boro, urged the public to assist persons with disabilities to facilitate their mobility. He emphasized the importance of bus conductors and taxi drivers prioritizing these individuals. Deputy Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities, Bridget Warshong, highlighted the significance of respecting and accommodating persons with disabilities. Warshong announced future iterations of the program, targeting taxi drivers and bus conductors with plans to allocate 2 seats in each bus for individuals with disabilities. The event saw participation from 60 taxi drivers and bus conductors. This initiative underscores the commitment to inclusivity and accessibility in Meghalaya's transportation systems.
By Srimati B. Warshong, Sri Shanghai Parbot, Madam Bata Dakar, and we also have Assistant Monitoring Officer from MUDA, Babiki. So I request you to kindly listen and to be a part, to be attentive, so that we may learn something, and then we can use it in our. I'm also happy to see the participation from the NGOs. From Khubor, from Shillong. And at the outset, I would like to congratulate the MUDA and the Office of the Person with Disabilities for having organized this program. To make our society accessible and inclusive for persons with disabilities, the Accessible India campaign was launched by the Honorable Prime Minister on the 3rd of December 2015. Where my target is made to build environment, transport system, information and communication technology accessible to the persons with disabilities. I thank Madam Samla for mentioning that I had an opportunity to work in the transport department for a pretty long time, and during my time there we had a lot of interaction with the Social Welfare Department, with the Transport Department, and then we have tried to do our best, but still we are very far. And I would request the officers who are there now to kindly do their best, and myself also from the Social Welfare Department, I would like to participate and see that we try to contribute so that the persons with disabilities will have a special place in the public transport. The right for
accessible websites. Kata kau jemput jemputnya kebangi di bayi bangi akan pakai. Berapa terungi kibri kibangi yo ini, datang ungi kibri kibanam. Bandai hati komputer kibangi lawan pakai kibian bagi ini lawan yo jemput. Hendak inja ayu ada kini kibri gomel ini. Jayu ada kibrio ki bangga snow, ni kibrio ki bashong kini ki wheelchair, ni kibrio ki badan ki bang susu. Kini akan lo ki pak kan komputer, ni kini akan lo. Ya kan tip dah kabang ibu yang kita ki accessible features mo kita ki jingbo hakanika komputer hak website ban sukin ba kilo kina te kunong ni ya kata ni dan pok ha bagi dan kenika yung National Informatics Center ke NIC mo hakaba nila yo balete lang baki nila don komunisa wa lang ibalayara ini ban wandur kumu ba kini kibrio badan bijingan dukanet kila ban yo kijingtiken dia dah kababu umuri dan lecih komputer saya kita kini kijing buat kapang yung ki font size mo kibala ban pendek kibala ban pendek kibagi buat kibri badan kijing duna Khubor kila ban be anda lada kikwa ban tip betul orang tu kedal kini ke voice announcement ban yo mo ti kata ba o kila yo slogan ti chayu tu pina umri ba dong dan ya pon yo sio hendai itu tu ban yo sio kili akuno kini kini sign language baik mata irida ini di irida rida le rida bonja kriya rida bon kriya ini di sign language interpreter pai pai hapla bagi kan bani ini kini nama ba kidan ka prinjong frihan ni ki bom yo snow tinaka takadaw ni na office na pindu ba ina bangkan duni ke kini kilatip ke itu bang kring free kini kiwe bagi yo snow kini kiwe bagi tip tinga thai ka ini tisluha halan yang di Khubor syadu tu banang macushu haki program dengan organize nim na aina patimya kami ingin session ka kadang ka anga batimya na.
In a bid to promote sports and youth development, Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Samla inaugurated the construction of an artificial football turf at Umbuda Football Ground, Ribhoi. With an estimated cost of Rs 10.93 crores, this initiative aims to provide opportunities for budding athletes. Samla emphasized the government's commitment to investing in sports infrastructure, citing ongoing and future projects totaling Rs 700 crores and Rs 400 crores respectively. Additionally, he highlighted the broader youth-focused budget of Rs 2,800 crore, encompassing various sectors such as sports, music, culture and entrepreneurship. Samla stressed inclusive development, announcing plans for artificial turf playgrounds and a track and field stadium in rural areas. He also addressed healthcare and infrastructure improvements in Ribhoi, underscoring the district's significance in the state's development. The Chief Minister urged the youth to utilize these resources and avoid straying from the path of talent and potential.
Going on in the sports department, another 200 crores is being sanctioned as we speak, and another additional 200 crores will be sanctioned in the coming years. Hence, in the 10 years of the MDA government, there will be over 1,000 crores worth of investment being made in the sports sector. And this does not include the large stadium, the biggest stadium that will come up in Mokulu, which is amounting to 385 crores, which will be in the new Shillong township area. And hence you can see the kind of effort that the sports minister and the sports department has been putting, and this government has been putting for sports. And this particular foundation stone laying ceremony is just one of the examples of that commitment that we have towards the young generation and the youth of our state. Just yesterday, I had laid the foundation stone for another artificial turf worth about 10 crores, almost 11 crores in Siju yesterday, which is in South Karo Hills. And this is again another beauty of what we are trying to do. If Meghalaya has to develop, it cannot just be Shillong and Tura and Jawai centric. If true development has to come to our state, then every village has to move forward. Every citizen has to be helped and allowed to move forward in their...
3 individuals suspected to be members of the Garo National Liberation Army (GNLA) were apprehended by police from Garo Hills. Superintendent of Police Bruno A. Sangma revealed that the arrests followed reports on social media claiming affiliation with GNLA and demanding 20,000 from individuals. The FIR was filed on February 25th at Kharkuta Police Station. Among those apprehended were Silang K. Marak, Gilja Sangma and Suresh Sangma. The police continue their pursuit of the remaining 3 suspects who fled the scene.
Regarding regrouping of GNLA, in the month of February 7th, there was a social media posting saying that GNLA has regrouped. And on the 25th of February 2024, we have received 1 FIR in Kharkuta PS. And based on the FIR which we received, we have conducted investigations. And so far, till date, we have arrested 3 people in this regard. And the names of those people are Singsan Kemara from Resubelpara, Khada, and he is 40 years of age. Then we have arrested Tilja Sangma from Adogre, he is 40 years of age. Then we have arrested Suresh Sangma from Adogre only, he is 32 years of age. As of now, investigation is going on and we have seized mobile phones from their possessions which were used in the crime along with SIM cards. So as of now, investigation is going on. Sri Sengsan Kemara is an ex-militant group. He has been rehabilitated and he is the main culprit in this case in North Hills. He has been wanted in Assam police as well. Assam court has given NBWA against him and we will be handing him over to Assam police as when the investigation is over in North Hills. So far, investigation is going on and more arrests will take place. There are around 7 to 8 members in this regroup, so we will not be sparing them and we will be going after them. So that is all from my side. Well, phones which have been used in the crime because they have demanded fund ransom of 20,000 from the victim in North Carolina. As of now, Singsan is the only member which have arrested who is a trained member. So he was an ex-ULA member, United States Division Army, that's all.
What about the hidden weapons of the GNLA? Have the police recovered all hidden weapons?
In a significant move towards the Swachh Bharat mission, the Speaker of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly distributed 101 electric vehicles, e-vehicles, to communities in East, West, South, North and Southwest Garo Hills. The distribution took place at Baljek Jengjal Airport on March 5th with public representatives and officials from various departments in attendance. Minister of PHE Marcus N. Marak along with Rupert Momin, Ian Botham K. Sangma and Grahambal A. Sangma MDC were present. The initiative aims to transform these villages into garbage-free zones, emphasizing sustainable and eco-friendly practices.
Take photo. Come. Somebody should take from that side. That side, yes.
Let us be the change and see this change bring positive outcomes in the days to come. Jol,
agar sabni dal rupa gongsong rupa asum dang progrek rami kalau leader we chair we kalau ya group of 20 nations aru una greba ben asum lang doang ansi maksai chap ko ba sumodan agar sabni ya G20 ni agar ningon ya dang progrek mangau ja di ba agar sab mer ni leader an Thailand no thumta ke G20 ko kalau India asum le tulenga aru G20 ni slogan mai na G20 ni slogan Delhi angsi amure banokani amure nikaman ke one family one earth one future agar sab kalau ansing dalen ka ni ba technology ni asel Kalau agak sak gemek ko global village ni agak ni. Agak sak karena namen acini connectivity ikut satu dia acini namen sunah. Ini man agak sak gemek lokang bisasan. One family. Aru acini agak sak bendung ja. Ya agak sak ya universal in solar system. Acini agak sak bisasan one earth. Aru acini future ba bisasan. Asung saksa sakaban mang, dosa dol kaban mang, ansing meli nang reme. Lalu ya agal sako, repengani, ansing agal sako sumrumi ngapa. Agal sak ni jibya kubongko. Setiap orang mangkaba, kangal surgiri ngapa, ungja maina mani cakaba asung ungja maina, jib akaba asung bongko. Agal sak sasan, agal sak uning man, agal sako sumrumi pa manderam, nokdang ye sadake. Lalu actually
In a poignant display of solidarity, tourist drivers in Noston, united under the Joint Action Committee JAC of the Tourist Association, have announced plans to affix black flags on their vehicles on March 6th and 7th. This gesture honors the memory of Magbon Bonisan Karbani, a fellow tourist driver whose life was tragically cut short. Richard Sun, chairman of the JAC, condemned the heinous act and demanded punishment for the perpetrator. The JAC fervently calls upon the authorities to ensure swift and severe punishment for those responsible, seeking solace in the pursuit of justice amidst profound sadness.
Joint Action Committee Joki Tourist ki kamai na Noston Shillong. Iwan ang Khubor ban pau ya ka Jinja ke raja hanya for so Noston kumba barong ye na ban ye tip ye jing sim jendat jongwe na kinongnya tourist men haka kontrol si sejana seperti beri hak sejan ngilayo jing tip menen si blai ba hadu ba ulaklat na nakani thai nakaliang ka GC ko syong kerke mentasi bane perkat alo kani jinja bat nakaliang jongi ngosim ko ikarai bangin berpau ya kajing penrem ka jur ya kani jinja kamtam ya kajing duno jong ko ke mensim kamtam big driver ubabla sni namta ka yen kasam kajung bat kajinja kaja post rock sungkin ka balese nakaliang jongi kumki para driver kum ki try jam ki kali tourist ni rat ram jor ni kini jinja bat ngintip la se manu ba dan ti bat walang lei na kalian ka police department kala kem mo ya ki dan tiro drai na kalian jungi hingi penpau ya ka jing penram ka bajor ba wala kalong kunu kunuro drai ya ka an me mansim hati ngintip kababhana kabasniuna kajingjan reni I ba kajing simna kajing mi kalong kabamlaban dia namanu remanu kamtam mangiga JC ni penranjur kane ban kabaan ni kerpan ya ka police department ya an bahkan simkia ban bahkan penstom katkum ka an balada kalong kadan hok hi ban wan ban set sijingem haba klasim kajingem ni kersan ban ni om ban ni penram ban ni olo pada ban le kata kalau kecing kerpat jongi nrai kesyong pat hakaan bahkan le lane kikis ke pengadah kerul kom ngingin nanti ban rengi nak liang kaji si ni kerpat ya ka police department bahkan simkia ban ya kaan bukan simkia bahkan penstom ya dia kini ki basin kecing jongi Samla jongi ramba banyak ya kan terus ban kaba lahi kaba nilai perkara ni niladon kecing snowlam tak yen stem kajongu ngiltip ba lesir kumbu na udai banyak po banyak kali lajunya ki guys bagi alto bagi ban mentani snow ba ulayo kalat ban ma mantir ka kali jong man kamain rai hakan ga pot kelajai jing ju ni snow si ni penpau ka jing snow lam si bai masem wato blai undang angkat ban pilih masem pun pentengan ya pi ban ba nakaliang ni GC ngin sampai yang disemar ke bangin sim karai ko ingin la perkat se bangin ngin penarka ngin bu asmi kum ka black flag ka bangin sumpau ya kecing snow si ke jongi ru ki asian per per tu benar ko kan ke join action di jong ki Torres ngin perlong ke black flag ke baro ki kali kin isi mentara ke bikin deng lama yang asli kemun akan riu bat hanyu teri jong ni benai bat ya ke hadir nang ta ngin sampai ke GC kan kalap ya kan ke jang bat kan senang yang keren bat lanakan dan kan haban baru ya kan an makin berstam jor ya kini ki yang ni ba sim jim jong prareva de nakalian juni ta kata suam ta yang senang ya keren yang senang penbaik ya kam bat lana ngiran kam ngin sa dulu ya kan ngin sa ada kam membram dulu syak ban halo kan ke bentah.
Srimati Claudia A. Lingwa, Deputy Inspector General of Police TAP in Meghalaya's Shillong, addressed the media regarding the government's stance on peace talks with the Nyautrap National Liberation Council (HNLC). Lingwa reiterated the government's willingness for dialogue since the inception of the initiative, emphasizing the continued openness for peaceful resolution. Regarding the recent arrest of HNLC cadre Storji Lingdo, Lingwa disclosed that Lingdo had crossed into Meghalaya from Bangladesh. Despite his previous involvement in peace talks, Lingdo's activities revealed through his mobile phone indicated extortion and demands on various individuals. Responding to inquiries about Lingdo's purported intent to surrender, Lingwa highlighted the contradictory actions of returning to Bangladesh before attempting to surrender in Shillong. She emphasized the significance of these actions in understanding his true motives. Lingwa concluded by reaffirming the government's stance on keeping the door open for peace talks with the HNLC, underscoring the importance of dialogue for resolving conflicts and fostering peace in the region.
No, as of now, that is the only information where he was also arrested. We are still continuing. Definitely investigation will still be continuing. We will not stop in that line. The peace talk will go one end, but if anybody commits a crime, then of course we have to take action against them.
What is the message to the people who donate to the HNLC or GNLA?
What is the?
To people who donate.
I couldn't understand.
People who donate to the HNLC or GNLA, what is the action of the police?
They are also liable.
No, everybody is liable. You see, if you are donating or you are contributing or you whatever excuse you can make, you will still be liable because at the end of the day, that is against the law.
But what steps the police are taking to ensure that you instill confidence in people so that they will come forward and report such crimes to the police?
See, DG sir has already spoken the kind of work that the police have been doing. We will do all, our job is policing, and whatever information that comes to us, we act straight away. That itself should instill confidence in the people. From the time that the HNLC had started in Meghalaya, the police have worked endlessly. We have sacrificed so many police lives in this fight. So that itself, and the way the eastern part of the state is as of today, I'm sure that is, you can see the amount of tourists that are coming. All this has changed the face of Meghalaya. So that is because the police have actually put in a lot of hard work, and we have also sacrificed police lives in this. That should instill enough confidence, I think, in all people.
The RCLP school in Maulali, Thenroj celebrated the inauguration of a rampart, a tall wall, marking a significant stride in safety enhancement. Thanks to a scheme spearheaded by the Chief Minister and supported by Mr. Kansing Lenxiang from Maukanro, the once steep and precarious spot now boasts fortified protection. Among the esteemed attendees at the ceremony were Father Suresh Kagu, dedicated sisters, committed teachers and respected church elder Melan Nongrum. This milestone underscores the community's commitment to safeguarding its educational institutions and ensuring a secure environment for students and staff alike.
Yakikan bababa kiliang baro Cikublay kikok yapi Daka cikmeni wan man ay Cilay ay nublay Kenan dak kerhai
Kurang in ring ilong bangin persang ni kani gekam tiba milan ilong sila ne badu ten ring ong pen nagaleng jomi ngim ju ai kadu kadu komitmen lani ke jingkular rei tang ke jing persang barit ke jomi ngin persang la daga long hidai ban kemen la da jiapat bakam long ru we bangi klem kular hinam don kadu kadu ke jing snow rei aingu yau play ba kani gesni ngila la dan pensau bagani ke jing trei ke long sukses ke long komplit di tiba milan ba penbait penbiang ya kani ke kamru ila tresitom kumni kumbagalong klem da khen ya ga yonong klem da khen ya ga jimentoy ya le desimen ila treikat kani nag banta ke fencing nag banta ke jingbit biang jopi baro ki khna school ki kmi pa banlong ka jing sngai nag banta ki khun ki kiti ki jopi ha ga ni ka law school ti nagaleng jonga ngapan paul ke jing slongo yau chimistar bla ai sobhai ga ni ke skim nagbanta gani ka school ke jongpi bat kalong ke jimentoy haki pateng ki paket bat sikentin aso banong ba gani kelinti ke ba niyat ban pentrei gani ke kam ki babun tali ki project ila depan pli haki ni ki kendet nai bat udusnem bat balengi pli gani ka project kumi kadawi kalong bangin peni ba gani ka project kalong komplit bat kamdon kuno kuno gaji sateng ladang impli kumni ke peni ba ke project leni kuno kuno ke skim ke peni ba kadon gaji srei ke bombit ke bombiang tihabang impli kumni ke peni ba siki wei pat de ki Shillong leni siki wei pat de ki badai ban pet ye gani kinong ba plan gani ke kam kalaya bat kalalong komplit kalong ke bajam tena kata kadau habang ile ikano kuno ngaong yu ba milan ba kedi belong transparency di nama kata kadau kathong ke jonga kalong ye ki project ki bangi wanra ha kalenti ke barit ke kepat demi sarkar wala dangam long kum we meliru henry ibori barit kat bangala nga persang ban wanra ya ki jimentoy jong babun balang ka jimentoy jong kinong song snong jong kamau ko ro konstituensi hi baro bawai di nama kata kadau kum kinong song snong ki kna school ka balang bat ki members jong committee school hangge bu lem ha ki jingduai na kabanta nagaleng jungi kum kinong yelam ru langi don ha ka bor lening im don ha ka bor ru de ka pokong san ka long ba pinduai bangyo ye ka jingkot ki jingkhia bangila bantre hala ka bor ka sap ka bo bulai wai ban bun telun ye ka ni ka kam ha ka be dei bat ka de ka mau ko ro ka sivi ki jogi de sai sin swabangan song ngasu pen kenmau yapi kiki ke ba phi pha ban penyaram lagi ban pen kren lem kaju ke khubor nga IP ngam Samla ai ke komitmen leni ke promise yapi bagani kanlong leni kanlong 100% bagi yaram yapi kino kino ke ba phi ai ke jing tho sanga rei ngaong kaju biang yapi bang anlong ubri bayai persang lada galong ru long ke jingmen lada kam long ru wan nam su e namar pisupu ngamdeu emle ngamdeu MDC ngalong kum mapi uriu pat ba reu bleu ai gasap yanga haga jingi dei bagi officer haga jingi dei bagi department ba per kumno ban persang ban wanra ya gajing kala haga ne ke konstitusi kita gide kijing persang nagan yang jonga kijing persang barit bati ya trailang rengkat kumno ban ai ben simdam ya kelenti ya jongi di to bleu kijing suk undan rengkat bati to bleu yelam lenti yapi bahaga jinya lenti ke jogi ko bala keren mene bawala dangam poi se gathong haga ni kala last election ke bala remro nrei haga jing im ke jogi im ye im dei bandu cengkerben nrei ublei ai tang bo job bantrei nrei ublei ai la ka banta langi rem ni job nrei ke bensim ke dei banlong ke job haga jing ke kam kublei sibun god bless you all blame ko kuipi kublei si hajar mu cool hoy kene ke school abang ai menta ke radang bot ki kena ki ngi kairu ni don bang duna andre ni kerman ba lamba kane ga yin ko tamai lamba kane ga chaka kepada nang nei mentah ila sisiau ban yarapi ki kenal ham ha kam tam lele ni semang nei kane kenro imat la yarap ban don ya kane kayin kecaka kepala kham he kebat kitna insyaallah tentang kedia kecaka Henry leba kane ka cikendro ngioi ba kane ka madan angni kane ka jaka kolong ka ba tenat ba ila ai jimudru ingin sapa syam ban penda ya kane namba kane ka school kan sadon ya kane ka jaka ka ba tenat oi nak liang chung ki mi baru ba ngi la yusona ya babalang si kila tresitam ban yarab lang ban pening e kane ki kendro bar saudam di terparu ya pi kinong ikai ban ya tresitam ban yarab ki kena nama ki kenal bawan se school tema ki kwa ban pulebha tengai ki ngai kair kila tresitam di kini rekam kede ke ba ngi de bandan ya ka jing sotolang kana gurukum in saban rai ngi school haka haka nasi lawe wa pernah ni dodo ki kena ni ngalai abang lawan ni na gunta ke parents day ki kena ki wala smart ha ni ban kalam sign ru ki kena ki standard sunsit ki don ya ka terbensim ban record ha ni le ki ki we ki parti il se ki program ki wala perlong kalau bos job de kamta ma ke negasing na so ye ba kan sing bra ni ban rai ke Khuborjylla bangila yoso ban sotu ye chief minister jungi namba kane ke scheme kalau ban rapi ki na jungi ban nagki supra de kane ke school ke school ke barim tam benta nioi ba ni kam sisa ki.
So viewers, that is all we have for today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.